This is the Tirupati bus stand from where we'll start our journey to Talkona Waterfalls. Now we are sitting in the bus and going from Tirupati to Talkona Waterfalls. Talkona Waterfall is the tallest waterfall of Andhra Pradesh. It is located at a distance of around 60 kilometers from Tirupati. So if you are going to Tirupati and have enough time in your hand, then it will be good idea to visit Talakona Waterfall as well. Now please look at this place. This place is Bhakarpeta. Now we have to get down at this place. This place, Bhakarpeta, is at the middle of Tirupati and Talkona. This place is around 35 kilometers from Tirupati and Talkona is around 24 kilometers from here. Alternatively, you can take a reserved auto which may charge you around 800 to 1000 rupees for both to and fro. This also has the advantage of visiting the other places near Talkona like Talkona Shiva Temple and the jungle safari. Now we are going to Talkona Waterfall by an auto rickshaw. This road goes through the forest inside Bhakarpeta National Park. This road from Bhakarpeta to Talkona is around 24 kilometers and may take around 1 hour of time.
గుళ్ళు కొట్టుకుంటే గమనించవా అని ఆయన అన్నాడు.
There is a very old Shiva temple about 2 kilometers before Talkona Waterfalls. If you go to the waterfall, you will first find the Shiva temple and then reach the waterfall. In our case, we first went to the waterfall and next visited the temple at the time of return. The name of the temple is Siddheswara Swamy Temple. As I mentioned previously, Talkona Waterfall is located in Sri Venkateshwar National Park of Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh. The waterfall is about 60 kilometers from the temple city of Tirupati. As you can see, this is a typical South Indian temple with Dravidian sculpture. The main deity of the temple is Lord Shiva in the name of Siddheswara Swamy. Other than that, there are temples of Lord Murugan, Ganapati and Navagraha. You can do archana in this temple at a very small fee. If you believe in Lord Shiva, it is a great opportunity to visit this temple while going to Talkona Waterfall. This is a medium-sized temple and this may take about 15 minutes of your time to visit this temple. After visiting Talkona Waterfall, we went to Siddheswara Swamy Temple and Jungle Safari. Jungle Safari is located at a few kilometers distance on the way from Talkona to Bhakarpeta. There are few nice trees and some monkeys. There is also water flowing in a canal which makes a beautiful view. Apart from that, there is nothing much to see. If you are a nature lover and you have sufficient time in your hand, then you may visit this place. Otherwise, you may skip this place during your Talkona trip.
जय श्री राम
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 जय श्री राम जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
Lord of Shiva, Lord Four. Ali pी गए